Hey friends, if you wish to fix registry filter driver exception wdfilter.sys blue screen error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to update drivers and Windows. So here's how you can do that. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, select advanced options, optional features, install them, return to the Windows Update page and click on check for updates. The next solution is a malware scan. Search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open MRT. Now this is called the malware removal tool. Click on next, choose full scan, click on next and let it run through. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator in the right pane. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a system restore. Search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore, select next, choose a good restore point, click on next, finish and then finally click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.